we use 100% Upcera zirconia restoration material right now. Pretty good. We are happy, and my technician happy, my patient happy. We're happy. Patient happy. We are happy too. Okay, Upcera. Best.
We are one of the leading distributor of dental equipment in Vietnam market. After nearly 10 years of cooperation since 2011, Upcera products have won the heart of our customers. Thanks to quality stability and continuous improvement in production technologies as well as packaging, Upcera has conquered the majority of laboratories in Vietnam and has a large number of loyal clients. Upcera, reliable material expert.
Hey, David here from Advanced Dental Lab, talking about the Upcera Explorer line of zirconia. I love it. A really big game changer for my clients, and yeah, I mean, all great things so far. Keep up the good work, Upcera.
Hello, I am Bagus, dental technician from Active Dental Lab. I've been using Upcera for years. Monthly consumption range are so good this year. Hopefully, I'd like you to provide regularly seminars or training this country.